Today, the European currencies have stopped climbing. At the same time, the US dollar has all chances to resume rising. That's why we can say that the local correction in the European currencies has finished. It means that investors will pay closer attention to long-lived factors that are still boosting the greenback. The fact is that the US economic situation is really better than in Europe. The recovery paces of the labor market only prove this. In a long-term perspective, this improvement will have a positive effect on the US economy. However, speculators are not satisfied with the labor market data. Today, the US will report on its job openings. Analysts foresee a drop in the indicator. However, this information will hardly influence the market situation. The report will be disclosed after the European session, when the trading activity usually becomes lower. Moreover, a decline in the number of job openings is fully consistent with the lower unemployment. Thus, the figures will only prove other labor market reports. Let's take a look at the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair is advancing from the local low of the correctional movement. The quote managed to consolidate above the level of 1.2070, encouraging traders to open long positions. Analyzing the current chart, we can see that the uptrend still prevails in the market. This may push the pair towards the levels of 1.2130, 2160. After that, the pair may slow down and slide. A recovery process will begin if the price consolidates above 1.2190 on the 4-hour chart. The pound-dollar pair returned to the high of the midterm trend and broke this level. The pair needed a lot of time to hit a fresh high. Speculative activity is extremely high. Notably, the pound sterling is significantly overbought. This may lead to an uncontrolled technical correction. On the chart, we can see that the market participants are focused on the levels above the previous high of 1.3750. If the price consolidates above 1.3750 on the daily chart, the pair is likely to go on rising. However, there is a chance of a drop. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.